guys, welcome to Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And this is a new year, a new beginning, a new week, a new day, a new month of what we need to achieve in 2023. And you must agree with me that we have a lot to talk about, a lot to look into on the show. And we've seen a lot of things about making waves during the holidays. I hope you guys had a wonderful holidays. Yes, I did, but at the same time, I was working on how we can make this show a better show for you guys. And what are we going to be seeing, or what should we be expecting on the show this year? And it's going to be a little bit different. Yes, we're still going to take a look at the chart. Like you all know, we're going to see where we need to take trades, where we need to get out of trades, what we need to do in the market. And also we're going to be checking out the top stories, talking about the news to know what you need to keep yourself updated all about. And we're going to be looking at the economic calendar. We saw last year that a lot of things happened, and we saw the CPI keep dropping, the Bitcoin or the market anytime the news comes out. And this year we're still going to be looking at that as well to make sure you guys get the good update regarding the economic calendar. And we're still going to be checking the top 10 or the top 100 coins that we need to take a look at, we need to invest. Mind you, you need to understand the bull run might start anytime soon. And even though it's going to be on top of the highest in 2024, it's going to start somewhere. And those are things we're going to be looking at on this show. So we're going to check out the coins, things we need to watch out on the show, like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, Litecoin, and a lot more. And I think we need to make sure this year is a bit interactive, and that's why we'll be very, very active on our social media handle, especially our Twitter. So I would advise you need to be part of it, because we'll be trying to, having a conversation on how or what we need to do to get ourselves ahead of our game in this new year 2023. And also we're still going to be checking the fear and greed, talking about the sentiment. We all know sentiment play a part or a big role in the market when it comes to where majority wants the market to go, and all of these are what we're going to be looking at. But now there's going to be a game changer in this year show. We are going to be dropping, after analyzing the chart or whatever on the show, we're going to be dropping the chart analysis and where you need to get in or get out on the Discord channel, whereby you don't need to worry or you don't need to be scared that, oh, I've not seen the show, I've missed out where I need to get in. As far as you have the Discord app on your you have the Discord app, our channel on your app, on your phone rather, you can get in your notification and see what is happening immediately, even before you get to watch the show and know what is going on. Also, our Telegram will be functioning as well to drop all the links you need to get to see whatever that is happening, because sometimes you might not be getting how am I going to call it, the show or the alert at the right time. But when you go to your Telegram, you can see all the links of what we've dropped throughout the day. Maybe we'll drop an educational video, maybe we drop a signal for you to buy or to sell, maybe we drop the show, or maybe we just drop any kind of content that is going to be relevant to what you need to know. We're going to be dropping all that links on the Telegram, so you need to subscribe or you need to be part of the Telegram channel and the Discord channel. The links are down in the description, and I bet this year is going to be different, because and I have something I want to do this year as well. The more the channel grows, the more the Telegram channel grows, I want to start a challenge which is called 1 million x 1 million. What does that mean? I'm still going to review what that means in the nearest future, so you do not want to miss out. And that is going to be mind-blowing, because you might be among the 1 million people that's going to benefit from what we're trying to do. It's 1 million x 1 million, but I'm still going to draw more what am I going to call it, clarity on it in the nearest future. Today's show is just to analyze what you'll be getting from the show this year, and I bet you do not want to miss out. So first of all, the charts, we're going to be giving a top-notch chart. We did it last year, and you can agree with me, we were right more than 99.9%, even though some might take time, take 2 or 3 days before it plays out, but it always comes to pass. And we're always giving you the top stories about the news of what you need to understand, of what is making headlines or what is trending, so you don't get lost in so much news that's happening, because we're going to dissect it, look at it, and give you what you need to know. Also, we're always giving you the best of the best when it comes to the economic calendar, the news that is coming out, and we're going to have a lot that will be coming out this first quarter. As we all know, you need to prepare yourself. And talking about NFT, we're going to be looking at the top 10 NFT as well for the lovers of NFTs, so they can get to understand what NFT is topping the chart, what NFT is doing well, and what NFT they don't need to get their money on. Also, we're going to be looking at the top cryptocurrency, like we always do, the top 100, on the top 100, and so on and so forth. So that's just what I want to share with you on today's show. I just want you to know we have a lot of things to give you this year, and you don't want to miss it. The most interesting part of it that I'm so excited about is the 1 million x 1 million, and that will come to light in due time. So you need to subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please, you need to subscribe right now, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get the notification when we drop all these videos for you. And also, like I said, please and please rush down to the Discord channel right now. Go and join the Discord channel. The link is on our Twitter page. The link is down on this video, the description. And the what's it called, the link to the Telegram as well is there as well. And I bet you don't want to miss out, because that is where a lot of things will be happening this year, and I will appreciate you if you're part of it, so we can all get this thing going live and direct. So that's that, and that's what I have for you on the show today, and that's what I want to speak to you all about. The show is going to kick off fully from tomorrow, whereby we're going to be giving you all these things we've mentioned: the analysis, the charts, the what's it called, the news, what is trending, where you need to buy, where you need to sell. So even some new project that is coming into the game, I have a way I'm going to show you that you can even benefit from. There are some airdrops that will be dropping in the crypto space, whereby you don't need money to get it. You just get the airdrop for free, and when the project appreciates, you can make money from it. So a lot of things are what we're going to be discussing with you, and I'm still going to be your host myself. I made a lot of Magic Kazim, and I'm still going to be anchoring the program for you, and I believe we're going to push it to a greater height this year. You do not want to miss out of any of this. So this is still Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it, like we all know. And it's a new show, just a couple of more. We started last year, but now we're going bigger this year because we have a lot to share with you guys, and I bet you do not want to miss it. So these are what all you need to know. These are all what you need to know in the crypto space this 2023 to make you become a successful trader, a good investor, and even a cryptocurrency guru. And you will, how am I going to call it? You'll thank me later if you join this channel. So that's that on the show today. I'll see you tomorrow on the first ever episode in 2023 of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it, on this wonderful channel, Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Until I catch you tomorrow on a fantastic show, please stay safe, stay out of trouble. I hope you enjoy your Xmas. You had a wonderful year. I know a lot of you've got so much New Year resolution, but I know some of you are breaking it yet already. But please and please, you just need to take things serious this year. We all know what happened last year. 2022 was a whole lot of game changer. We saw people losing billions. We saw people losing millions. We saw even some big companies bankrupt, insolvent, and some of them even filed bankruptcy and all of that. We saw big player in the game being arrested, like Sam Bankman-Fried. We saw Do Kwon being hiding from one place to another. We saw even Binance being hit with a lot of people now speculating is like even Binance is insolvent. All of these we're going to be bringing into your view or to your ears every day on this great platform. So until I catch you tomorrow, peace out and stay out of trouble. I still remain myself. I made a lot of Magic Kazim. Ciao.